Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So last episode we drew my favorite foods, and in this one we're gonna animate them. So I chose sushi because I love them, and here we're gonna animate the sushi friends. So my idea was the little sushi was gonna jump on the big sushi. As you see here. And when they see each other, when they contact each other, the big sushi say, "Hey bestie." They smile to each other. So I just thought it was such a cute idea. In RoughAnimator it was easier to find the color closest to salmon than with the Copics. I'm doing the little shadows of the rice so you can see better that it's rice. And also the lines. Now I'm painting the cucumber. I don't like cucumber, but I mean, it's a classic. And now it's a salmon.
Really flying the music. Okay.
Funny story, when my first time trying out sushi, it didn't end up well. Not good at all. And I'm just going to leave it at that.
And it's so packed in here. The band sounds great. Double pen.
Here I chose to do one color at a time. You can always paint the color gray from the start to the end, and then start from the beginning to the end and do all the greens and then all the oranges, so you don't change the color that you're using. Maybe that helps you. But some other people like to do all the colors at the same time, so So if you have any ideas of the animation that you like to see, of drawings or whatever. Let me know on the comments and I'll try to do them. Okay guys, this is it for this episode. Please give it a like because it really does support my channel, and subscribe to see all my future videos.